Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have my Erin Condren box, and this tells me one thing. This is my planner, I believe, for 2022, guys. And yeah, I was just in my 2021 planner, and I saw that I'm getting near the end. When you start hitting September, my planner in the end gets smaller and smaller. The pages become less and less. So the year is almost up. Can you believe it? So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I'm very excited because I love my planners, and I remember picking this, and you can customize it. And last year I had a bunch of my pictures that I put together and made a collage in my cover, but this one I picked what was already ready-made, just had my name added to it because I really like the cover, and I want to share it with you, and I'm so excited because this is a 2022 planner. Yeah, like I was saying. But before we do that, let's do some gratitude. And this is an affirmation box for the day, and I think this is a good time to really think about gratitude. I usually do these on a Monday, and I probably will do it on a Monday again, but I really like the idea of cultivating a grateful heart, right? It makes life so much nicer. So let's see what we have today. This is a short one. Okay, this is nice. This is by Jean Massot. Jean Massot, probably French, the way the name is spelled. And it's a very simple but very pretty color. I like how they do the back too, see? Yeah, and this says, gratitude is the memory of the heart. Gratitude is the memory of the heart. And how you can turn this into an affirmation is saying, I am going to turn my gratitude into the memory of my heart, right? And this is so very nice. So let me just go ahead and show it to you so you can see it. And there's so many ways you can spin this. And when I see this, I have to say, there are times that I may be doing something or nothing at all, or reading a book, and I'm a big reader, so I read at least like one book a week. Yeah, in between everything else I do. And sometimes I'll stop and I remember, even though something, you know, of gratitude is not happening right now, but I remember in my heart how good something felt and how good gratitude felt. And a lot of time it's gratitude. I feel so blessed with what I have, and for all you beautiful wildflowers. And even though there's so many things going on out there that is so negative, but if I didn't have that gratitude in my heart to reflect on, I think I would be a mess. And I really like the fact that the memory is there, where it just appears out of nowhere. And I feel this overwhelming love and gratitude for everything around me. And sometimes I get to take a nap and I wake up and the sky is so shockingly blue. And it's just that emotion just bubbles up in me, almost brings me to tears, that I'm so grateful that I'm able to see this beautiful blue sky, and that, all those that love me and all those that I love back. And so, gratitude is the memory of the heart, right? Because it's better to have that kind of a memory, the gratitude in the heart, instead of other things that may be negative. So it does take work, but, put it into your routine. Make it a daily affirmation. And what I like to do is I like to pick one that really speaks to me and really repeat it over and over. And I do have a mantra like that, and I think I shared that with you at one time. So, but I always like to see cards like this. Gratitude is the memory of the heart. And that's pretty deep though. And you really have to think about it. So yeah, yep, there it is. And I'm going to let gratitude be the memory of my heart today. How do you like them apples? Yeah. So, okay. Excited about this box. I was wondering when I got this box, what in the heck is this FedEx ground? Remove label before delivering package to recipient. Well, obviously that didn't happen. Now, did it? Look, you see? And I think it's covering my address, and they're using a bar scan so they can scan. So they covered my address, but they supposed to peel it off before they give it to me, but they didn't. Yep, it says right here, remove label before delivering package to recipient. But that's okay, it doesn't hurt anybody. I kind of had to laugh about it. I'm like, okay. So who knew? So anyway, let's see. This is simply just tape here. So, okay. And the box comes like this usually. Oh, and by the way, guys, the fall box is out. It just came out today. I ordered it. It is an $80 plus value for $40 if you like Erin Condren. And she has pretty good stuff in her like seasonal surprise boxes. So I'll drop the link below for you guys. And I think it gives you a discount. So take a look. And here it is. She packages things so pretty, and it says enjoy on the sticker. Okay, the sticker is put on upside down, but anyway, see, it says enjoy. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so now I open this, and a box within a box again. And she, like I said, she packages her stuff so well. And she is a woman-owned business, of course. And she started out kind of small, and then she built up to, I mean, a huge company. And then the thing is, all of her stuff is made in the U.S. and it supports U.S. workers, which I do appreciate because a lot of this stuff is handmade. And yeah, they coil, I think, by hand is what it is. And this is how it usually comes, like this. And this time I just ordered the annual, you know, the calendar. So this is going to be relatively short. And here it is. And this just, I just love this thing. And it looks like this. I picked the cover color. And this right here, you could take off and put it into the inside. This is like a ruler as well as a like a bookmark. So I usually take this off. Very easy to do. You just kind of pull it off like this. And then you just stick it on the inside. And this one says, you go, girl. Look at it. You go, girl. And I so love all of the different, you know, characters here in different cultures. Even you know, a little Muslim girl. And yeah, I mean, astronaut girl. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff. And so I really liked this. It really spoke to me. It's simple, but I like it. And they did put my name because I usually have my name printed here. And so I personalized it that way. I didn't put any pictures of me in this one, but that's okay. Yeah, I don't need to look at myself. And on the inside, it has like a little extra. She always sends extras. And they have a 20% off coupon for your next purchase. And you'll get one of those too. Unfortunately, it's not transferable because it's coding. And so it's assigned to you. And there's also, that's another thing. She has this cute little affirmations, and I used to, I gave a whole pack of them to my husband, and he would like leave them inside my computer when I was going to work, and I will open up my computer at work, and a card will pop out, and he will have a little message written on the back of it, and, you know, I used to always make my day when I see that, and, you know, and I did that for my daughter one time, you know, where she'll find it later when she got home. She was visiting me, and she saw that, and it's these things here. And I have a whole pack of them because you can order them. Like here, you are always worthy. And then there's a space to write something, a message. And this one here, you are capable of wonderful things. Okay. And again, beautiful card. You can write a message on the back. And this one that says, I'm so grateful for you. You see? These things are so nice, and I just need to order a lot more of these because I went through them. Well, my husband went through a lot of them, and so yeah. And she gives these as samples, and she usually gives between 3 and 5 depending on which box. And usually there's a lot of them in like in the surprise boxes, so the seasonal surprise boxes. And like I said, there's a coupon in here and a couple of stickers. And as you know, this is the planner of the year, and this is called the Life Planner. And it's divided by months, and they're color-coded months. And when we get to about September, that's when I start to order the next year. And this one has also the calendar for completely 2021 to 2022, just a real, you know, view here. So that way it gives you an idea, you know, if you need to look back. And this is the monthly layout that I usually keep track of short things like pay bill or have an appointment. And I put stickers all over the place. But And what I do on each month is that there's a section here for goals where you can set goals. So actually it's for anything. It doesn't have to be for goals. I use it for goals. And I lay it all out there. And there's extra pages here for notes. And then when I create like the videos, these are your daily lines, right? You have, I think, is that Monday? Yeah, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And this is where I write my daily things I do. Like I always write which videos I created. And I put a little check mark on this box. And I put recorded, edited, uploaded. And as I do them, I just keep track. So I do use this planner a lot. And a lot of people like electronic planners. It's great for work, the electronic planners, but I like to sometimes add details into it. Like on certain days, something, something happened. And so, and it's color coordinated. Like this is February, so it's red and pink. And so it goes on and on. But in the back too, you get these extra stickers, you see? Where you can stick them, like I use these stickers like in the monthly pieces for the reminders. And there's also like this week canceled, so that we don't have to scratch it out. If I cancel a video, I slap that on there. And rescheduled. And cute little stickers to accent. This is a habit tracker. Like there's certain times like Ramadan, I do something, those things that I have to do, and I make check marks each week to make sure I did them. There's birthday stickers for, if you want to place where people's birthdays are. And you also have these line stickers, which is index stickers. And there's also a section here with all of the holidays laid out for you to make life easier for you. And it also comes every year with plan for tomorrow, celebrate today. And this is actually what they call a perpetual calendar. In other words, I save mine every year because I have one that I started many years ago. Things don't change in a perpetual calendar, right? And those are the things like you write somebody's birthday. Like this is March for the whole month. And I just write, like March 15th is Alyssa's birthday. And like my husband's birthday is on, whatever day. And on and on and on. So these are dates that never changes. So I have one that's getting pretty raggy. And so I will have to switch it out. And there are also, again, holidays and important dates in the back. You know what? Can you guys see that? I think it's pretty blown out. I'm going to have to fix this light. I'm sorry. I've been saying that, but I thought I got it right. And the important contacts page, people that you want to, it just has the name, phone, and email. That's all you need anymore. Who needs addresses, right? And so, yeah, that's what these planners are all about. And I get so excited every year. But man, 2022, really? Dang. 2021 just like went by in like a flurry, right? Yeah. Oh, and another page I just want to show you real quick. I know you thought I was done. You're like, darn. I thought she was finished. Also, in the front, it says a goal is a dream with a deadline. I love that. A goal is a dream with a deadline. So lay it out. So there's different boxes here that, you can use to set your goals and your dreams or whatever it is. So this has a lot of fun stuff in it. And also has pages. In the back, they call it notes, and there's lined note pages, bunches of them. So, yeah, that is that. And I'm so excited. I'm like talking so fast because, I'm like, yay, it's here, it's here. It's next year, what? No. So that's that. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. I just wanted to share this with you because, this is a really important milestone every year, okay? So, anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of content and having fun, please do consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe first, then the bell, then select all so you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you guys to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend whenever you're watching this. It doesn't matter. Just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.